Hey guys, happy February. I can't believe it is February already. January was a funny one. The first half seemed to go quite slow, and then the second half has absolutely flown by. I don't know about you, but it was quite hard after Christmas and New Year getting back into work, but I'm finally in the swing of things and it's back to reality. I hope you've all had a great January. I am back with a few of my favorites that I've been loving over the past month. I think I've got some good ones this month. My first one, let's start with shoes. Look at these. So these are from Pull & Bear. They're not new, so put them on the table, sorry mum. I actually went to the one in Brighton and I got these in Black Friday, but I've checked the website and you can still get these, so I'll leave everything linked down below so you can check out the things as well. They're so comfy to wear and I could literally wear them all day, so I know if I'm going into London for say meetings or seeing friends, I know I won't be in agony by the end of the evening. Good chunky heel. I got these in a size 4, they're true to size. I love them. I think even though they are bright red, they've gone with much more than I thought they would. So that is my first favorite. And they weren't expensive at all. I think they're $29.99, but I got them in Black Friday for 30% off, so winner. Shampoo and conditioner. This was actually sent to me before Christmas and I've been using it ever since and I love it. The brand is Mane and Tail. It says here, the original horse to human crossover shampoo that helps to maintain and achieve fuller, stronger, longer, healthier looking hair. Mane and Tail was originally created for show ponies to keep their manes and tails shiny and glossy. The results were so good that soon the horses' owners started to use the product on their own hair and then word spread. That was an article from the Daily Mail. But yeah, this is originally for horsehair. I've been using this for about 2 months now. What I love about it is the colour. It's like a awesome blue. I don't know if you can see that in there. I was not expecting that colour when I opened the shampoo. Really nice colour. It's a really nice smell. Just, I can't explain what that is. It's fresh. It's like shower. It's lasted forever and my hair does feel really good. I don't know if it's the shampoo and conditioner, but my hair has grown extremely quick over the past 2 months. They used to sell these in Urban Outfitters. That's where I actually first saw this product, but it's a lot more available now. So search for these online and you'll be able to find them. So thank you for sending this to me, guys. Moving on to a Christmas present I got, and that is my Instax printer. Now this is awesome. I can literally take the photo, as many as I want until I've got the right one. I can then edit it. I can use a Facebook photo, an Instagram photo. I just have to download the app and then you literally send it to this. It has its own Wi-Fi, you link it up and it prints. Now this is not the newest one. This is the Instax Share SP2. I wanted this one specifically because it makes this size Fujifilm. They now have a new one and it makes the square ones. I do like the square ones, but I was really wanting these. I really want to hang them up in my bedroom. And also it's a bit cheaper, so that was handy. I think it's one of those things that I won't use every day or every month, but it's always there. If it's a friend's birthday, chuck one of these in their birthday cards. I think it's a really nice personalized touch. And my auntie and uncle at their house at Christmas, they actually had these hanging up on their Christmas tree, which I thought was really cute because it's like memories from around the year popped on your Christmas tree. They actually look really good quality. Here's just a few I've done. One of me in LA. Now, it can't be a favourites video without a plant in it, can it? I definitely have become a plant lover. My others in my room and ones down there, they're doing great. So I thought I'd welcome another one to my family. I haven't got a pot for it yet, but here it is. Ta-da! Isn't that cool? It's not sharp, it looks sharp though. I just absolutely love this. I love the different texture it gives, the different vibe it gives. It feels awesome. It's a really nice colour. I've seen these all over Instagram, all over loads of YouTube videos, and I've been wanting one for ages. And then when I was in IKEA, I was like, oh my word, you're there. I've got to have you. Sansevieria bacularis. Anyway, my new best friend. You can sit there. Before I move on to my next thing, I'm actually going to say a YouTube channel I've been loving, and that is Mr. Kate. Let me know if you have watched Mr. Kate before. Me and Alex are literally in love with her channel. If you don't know who Mr. Kate is, she's a goddess, shall I say. She's incredible. She's like an interior designer. She has loads of different series on her YouTube channel. One is OMG We Bought a House, one is OMG We're Coming Over, and that one is where they're literally going to YouTubers' houses. They go and redecorate their bedroom or their dining room, their living room. They're about 10 to 30 minute episodes, and when me and Alex are having lunch, we love to pop one on because it's the perfect time. Her and Joey are amazing. You should go check it out. Even if you're not that into interior design, it's just a really fun, easy thing to watch, and they have so much energy. It makes you feel happy just watching them. They're awesome. I got 2 prints for my bedroom. I got these from a website called IMFY. Life is good. I really wanted a quote, but I didn't want one of those basic quotes, you know what I mean? But as soon as I wake up in the morning, I see this quote, life is good. So it helps me remember, yep, life is good. I should have a positive day. And here is my second one. I love it. Ta-da! How nice is that? So it's a kind of dusty rose pink heart. And it's got like a red thin heart. Really love the pop of color. And then we have some black and white lips. Oh, I just think it looks so good. Yay! And finally, on to my last favourite. It is a film that I've been loving. Now, me and Alex, in the middle of January, we got invited to the screening of Disney Pixar Coco. Apparently, it's actually been out for quite a while in Mexico and China and some other countries, but it's literally only just arrived in England, and it was excellent. Not only was the screening excellent, the film was just so good. You know, you think Disney Pixar, they're aimed at kids, but they're really not. It's for the whole entire family, and in some ways I think the adults might enjoy it more than the kids. We were laughing through so much of it. It was a bit sad at the end. I actually shed a little tear, but it was just so good. The film is about a young boy called Miguel. It's based in Mexico, and it's around the Mexican tradition, the Day of the Dead. It was really nice actually learning about the Mexican tradition. I learned a lot actually during the film. The music was excellent within it. The colors are amazing. The animation in it was amazing as well. It took them 6 years from the start to the finish. 6 years. I can't believe that, but I'm so glad they stuck it out because it really was an incredible film. Let me know if you have already watched it. I'd love to hear what you thought about the film as well. Now, I was just gonna say one film, but I remembered I also went to see The Greatest Showman. Yeah, absolutely love that as well. The music is incredible, and I've definitely got it all downloaded on my Spotify. Let me know in the comments if you've watched anything awesome in January, as I'm always up for a nice movie night. So that is the end of my January favourites. I really hope you enjoyed watching. Let me know if you've had any favourites over the past month, as I'd love to try out some new products or some new clothes or shops that you recommend. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye guys!